Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing Kwacoco Kwacoco and sauce. As you can see, yummy. Let's get straight into it. First of all, you have your cocoyams, you peel it, and then after peeling it, I just chopped it into small pieces just to be able to blend it. I put them in my blender or food processor, and then I added a little bit of water. You can, or you can skip the water, it's okay. The processor can do it without water. So I just blended until smooth, not very like finely smooth, just smooth. Okay, and I'm checking it's okay. Now I'm going to add my chili. Don't bother that it's a lot, it's not very spicy. So I added my chili and just blended it together. That's the result. I'm going to add it with the ones I blended before. I'm just going to put them there together. Wow. So after that, you have to really mix it. You mix it a lot, like you use a chopped wooden stick to just mix it well. And then I added a little bit of water again just to make sure it's not so hard. I don't like it so hard, so I mixed it very well. After mixing it so well and making sure it is well mixed, and then went ahead to add salt. That's salt. I'm adding my seasoning cubes, and then I'm going to add crayfish. That's crayfish, very important. A lot of crayfish is going to give it that flavor. So that's a lot of crayfish, and of course you mix again. And then I added my palm oil. That's my palm oil I'm adding there. Mix and mix and mix. And the last thing to add is the fish. So crayfish and dried fish. That is the secret to a yummy kwacoco. After that, I went into my backyard to harvest some banana leaves. I'm going to be using banana leaves to wrap the kwacoco with it. So after getting the banana leaves, I just removed them from just stripped the leaves from the meat rib and warmed it on fire. That's what I had. So that's how I'm putting my kwacoco mix into the leaf. And I'm just going to wrap it. Before then, my pot was already on the fire. I just put some leaves at the bottom, put some water, let it start boiling. See, and I put my kwacoco inside. You could also use this foil paper, aluminum foil paper. If you do not, you cannot get banana leaves. So that's it. That's it boiling. I'm going to let it boil for about an hour. Now I go to the soup. I have my tripe, my cow meat, and my chicken gizzard and liver. So that's my tripe first. I put it on the fire. I'm going to cook it for like 30 minutes first, and then I put my cow meat, and after that I'm going to add my gizzard and liver. So those are the spices I'm going to use. I'm going to blend tomatoes, ginger and garlic. Tomatoes, ginger and garlic. And then I'm just going to slice my celery, spring onions and onions. Now I'm going to saute some onions. After sauteing some onions, I'm going to pour in my mix of tomatoes and ginger and garlic. I'm just going to fry it until it gets dry. There it is, it's dried already. I added a little bit of the green spices in it, and then I'm going to put in my meat, my protein. Oh my goodness, you don't want to taste this. It's yummy. That's the stock, that's the beef stock. I just put it there and just taste for my salt and seasoning cube to make sure it's just okay. So there you go. After that, I'm going to add my white pepper. That's white pepper powder. I'm just going to add my white pepper in there, just to add some flavor, some more flavor. And then my sliced green spices and onions. I'm just going to pour it in there. That's after turning off the stove. The stove is off at this point because I don't want the green spices and the onions to overcook. So oh my goodness, the aroma is heavenly, and you can see that's the difference. That's the one wrapped in the banana leaf and the ones wrapped in the foil paper. Equally yummy. And I served that. Oh my goodness, oh my god, you don't want to taste that. Thank you guys for watching. Do comment, subscribe and like, and remember, eat in moderation.